Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni Pub-1 espresso machine. It's an old one. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. So we get a nice shot of espresso. And let's just check the steam quick. Wonder if it's clogged. I'll have to check that. And then let's run the hot water to show that the autofill mechanism is working. You can hear it filling, and there it goes to its max fill. Alright, and we're back here, and I just had to clear the steam tip. The steam tip was completely clogged. You can see we get nice strong steam now that I cleaned the tip. And so thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please archive videos below if you'd like to see more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.